Now solve the examples. First is add 1 upon 4 and 2 5 upon 6. Solution is LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. 1 upon 4 plus 2 5 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 6 to the 12 plus 5 17 upon 6. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 3 because LCM is 12. 4 3 is 12 and 1 multiply 3 is equal to 3. 3 by 12 plus 17 to the 34 upon 6 to the 12. 34 plus 3 upon 12 is equal to 37 upon 12. Now convert into mixed fraction. 3 1 upon 12. Alternative methods. LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 2 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Look here. 1 upon 4 plus 2 5 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 6 to the 12 plus 5 17 upon 6 is equal to LCM is 12. 3 plus 34 is equal to 37 upon 12. Convert into mixed fraction. 3 1 upon 12. Now second example, add 2 1 upon 3 plus 1 5 upon 6 plus 1 3 by 8. LCM of 3 6 and 8 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 is equal to 24. Look here. 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 plus 6 1 the 6 plus 5 11 upon 6. 8 1 the 8 plus 3 11 upon 8. Now LCM is 24. 3 8 the 24. 8 7 the 56 plus 6 4 the 24. 4 multiply 11 44 plus 8 3 the 24. 3 multiply 11 is equal to 33. So is equal to 133 upon 24. Convert into mixed fraction. 5 13 upon 24. Okay student, write down the example. Now next topic, subtraction of fractions with like denominators. A chocolate bar is divided into 12 equal parts. Each part represents 1 upon 12 of the whole. Rahul took 7 parts or 7 upon 12 of the chocolate and from this gave 3 parts or 3 by 12 of the whole to his sister Reena. Rahul was left with 4 parts or 4 upon 12 of the whole chocolate. Show the diagram. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 part is shaded. Total parts is equal to 12. 7 upon 12 part Rahul and Reena got 3 by 12. 3 part Reena and left with Rahul 4 upon 12 part Rahul. Show the diagram. Thus 7 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 upon 12. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 1 upon 3. Okay. Let us take another example. Suppose a pizza is divided into 19 equal parts. Each part will represent 1 upon 19 of the whole pizza. If your takes 17 parts or 17 upon 19 of the whole and out of these 17 parts he eats 15 parts or 15 upon 19 of the whole. He will be left with 2 parts or 2 upon 19 of the whole pizza. Thus 17 upon 19 minus 15 upon 19. 17 minus 15 is equal to 2 upon 19. Hence to subtract a fraction from another fraction of like denominator, we subtract the smaller numerator from the greater numerator. The number thus obtained is the numerator of the required fraction and the denominator of This fraction is the common denominator of the given fraction. Okay. Now solve the example. First is 6 upon 11 minus 2 upon 11, and second 8 upon 70 minus 1 upon 70. Solution is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 11, and second is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 upon 70. Now next topic, subtraction of fractions with unlike denominators. Let us subtract 1 by 3 from 3 by 4. Show the diagram, look here. 1/3 part, show the diagram, and 3 by 4 part, show the diagram. In the above figure, a paper strip has been divided into 12 equal parts. Total parts 12. Why? We have first shaded 3 by 4 of the strip. 3 by 4 shaded of the strip. Then from the shaded part we have crossed out 1 by 3 of the whole strip, which has been shown by double shading. The remaining shaded part represent 5 upon 12 of the whole strip. Thus, with the help of the above figure, we can write n as follows. Look, 3 by 4 minus 1 upon 3. 4 3 are 12. 4 3 are 12. 3 3 are 9 upon 12 minus 3 4 are 12. 4 1 are 4. 4 upon 12. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 upon 12. Okay. Change both fractions to equivalent fractions with common denominator, then subtract. Okay, student. Hence, to subtract a fraction from another fraction of unlike denominators, we change both the fraction to equivalent fractions of common denominator and then subtract as explained earlier 4 fractions of like denominators. Okay. Now next example. Solve 17 upon 18 minus 5 upon 12. Solution is, we find the LCM of 18 and 12. LCM of 18 and 12 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 is equal to 36. 17 upon 18 minus 5 upon 12 is equal to 34 minus 15 upon 36, because LCM is 36. 18 to the 36 and 17 to the 34. 12 3 the 36 and 5 3 the 15. 34 minus 15 is equal to 19 upon 36. Look here. Now next topic, subtraction of mixed number. Let us subtract 1 1 by 2 from 2 3 by 4. This is mixed number. Show the diagram. 2 3 by 4 minus 1 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 1, and 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 1 by 4. So mixed fraction is 1 1 by 4. In the above figure, the given fractions 2 3 by 4 and 1 1 by 2 are represented by the shaded parts. When 1 1 by 2 shaded parts are taken away from 2 3 by 4 shaded parts, we are left with 1 1 by 4 shaded parts. Solve the question. 2 3 by 4 minus 1 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 plus LCM is 4. 4 1 is 4. 3 1 is 3. 3 upon 4 minus 2 to the 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 by 4. 1 plus 3 minus 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4. So mixed fraction is 1 1 by 4. Now alternative method, show the board. 2 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 4 2 is 8 plus 3 11 upon 4 minus 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3 by 2. LCM is 4. 11 minus 6 upon 4 is equal to 5 upon 4. Mixed fraction is 1 1 by 4. To subtract mixed numbers, we change them to improper fraction and then subtract. Now next example, solve 6 1 by 3 minus 3 2 by 9. LCM of 3 and 9 is equal to 9. 6 1 by 3 minus 3 2 by 9 is equal to 6 3 ja 18 plus 1 19 upon 3 minus 9 3 ja 27 plus 2 29 upon 9. Change mixed numbers to improper fractions and then to equivalent fractions with common denominator. Lastly, subtract 19 upon 3 multiplied by 3, both numerator and denominator. 19 multiplied 3 is equal to 29 minus 29 upon 9. 57 upon 9 minus 29 upon 9, because LCM is 9. 57 minus 29 is equal to 28 upon 9. Convert it to mixed fraction, 3 1 upon 9. Now next example, subtract 2 2 by 3 from 4. We know that 4 is equal to 4 upon 1. 4 minus 2 2 by 3. 4 upon 1 minus 3 2 just 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. LCM of 1 and 3 is equal to 3. So LCM is 3. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4 upon 3. Convert into mixed fraction, 1 1 by 3. Okay. Now next example, simplify 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 1 by 4 minus 1 5 upon 6. Solution is LCM of 3 4 and 6 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 2 is equal to 12. 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 1 by 4 minus 1 5 upon 6. So 2 upon 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5 upon 4. 6 1 ja 6 plus 5 11 upon 6. LCM is 12. 24 minus 8 plus 15 minus 22. 39 minus 30 upon 12. 9 upon 12. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. So answer is 3 by 4. Okay student, write down the example.